Welcome to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash, technical analysis on MT4 and MT5. Guys are back with another wonderful strategy. So today, if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly help us to subscribe. It's going to help us a lot, and also you can like and comment on this video, and I have my Telegram group below this video description for you to join for more updates. As guys, today, as you can see, this is boom 1000 on 5 minute time frames. I told you guys that this is one of the powerful strategy that can really help you to make up a trade in boom 1000 and crash 1000. This strategy works on boom and crash 1000 on 5 minute time frames. You know, if you are taking a trade in 5 minutes, you know how many trade is going to be on 1 minute. If it is just only 5 candlestick on 5 minutes, that is going to be a 25 candle in 1 minute trade. So I love taking my trade in 5 minute time frames, and today I'm going to share with you this one of the powerful strategy that have really helped me to make a lot of profits in doing this. Let me show you the settings before I explain what it is. So we have the first moving average on our main chart, which is the period of 50. We have the shift of 0, we have the method to be linear weight, we have the apply to be waiting close, we have the style to be in yellow color, so you can choose any color of your choice. So you just screenshot it. I don't want this video to be too long. So we have the first one, which is the relative strength index, which our window 1. We have the period of 7, we have apply to close, we have the level in the period of we have the level of 10, 0, 70, 50, 90, and we have 30 and 20. So you press on done and you move to the next one, which is the Ichimoku. We have the first one to be in 3, we have the second Ichimoku to be in 10, we have our span B to be 52. So there's no need of you to fill anything, and we are only using our first style, which is this one, to be in blue color. So you can press on done. So the other style is going to be in white color, which is the background of your of your chart. So if you are using black charts, if you are using background, so you can change that to black color. So we have the last one, which is the moving average, the period of 20, shift of 0, we have method to be linear weight. You see, just screenshot this and you have it. You have the same settings on your phone. So after you have the same settings on your phone, what are the things that you need to do? What are the things that you need to identify? The first thing you need to identify is the movement of the market. You see, this moving average here always help you to identify the move of the market. Anytime we have an uptrend, we are going to be having our moving average on a downtrend, and anytime we are having a downtrend, and the moving average is going to be on the upper side, which is going to be a downtrend. So guys, on the window 1, another thing that you need to note is the movement of the moving average. This moving average is one of the key that you need to focus more, guys. Immediately you are having your moving average on the level of 90, let me tell you guys, it is right time for you to enter the market. So, and also not only that, you need to confirm your you need to confirm your Ichimoku, which is our blue line at this level. So once you confirm the Ichimoku, that after the moving average, we have the Ichimoku that follow, which is move above the 90 level. It's move above the 90 level. So once it's moved above the 90 level, this is the right time for you to enter the market. And when you see that, if you enter the market and you take just only 5 candlestick here, you know how much is going to be. That is going to be 25 candlestick on 1 minute time frames, guys. You can also use this strategy to take up a spike. What you just need to consider when you are taking a spike is anytime you are having your moving average on the level of on the 10 level, and you can also confirm your Ichimoku, which is the blue line that move above above the 20 level. Yeah. So anytime you are having your Ichimoku, which is the blue line here, that is moving below the 20 level, know that that is exactly the right time for you to enter the market. You can see the same entry confirm at this particular level, which indicate the spike up here, and the same thing also happen here, which indicates the spike up here. So there's nothing for you to scare about anytime that this particular strategy respect each other. You are going to be having the same spike. You know how much this spike is going to be if you catch it with 0.20 on 5 minute time frame. That's going to be a lot of money. Even is something that you can watch, you can practice every day. So as I always say, there's no strategy that is 100% accurate. What you just need to do is to practice a strategy on your demo account and see how it works. Maybe a week, you can just try it for a week and practice it and see how it works and how manage you can able to what to control yourself on it before doing it on real accounts. So guys, this is another sample that I need to tell you about. You see, we have another level that respect this particular zone, which is our 90 level at this particular area, and we have our Ichimoku that went above the 70 level, and as you can see, it's respect that particular level. Even if there's going to be a spike, the spike is not going to reach this particular level. It's going to keep on selling down. So that's how you can keep on making your profits every day in trading boom 1000 and crash 1000. So guys, let me show you exactly what is going to be like on boom on crash 1000 5 minute time frames. You can see now, I told you guys, we are going to be having our moving average at the level of of 10 level, and we are going to be having our Ichimoku, which is the blue 9 here, on on below the 20 the 20 level here. You see that it's accurate, and what are you going to see now from this particular side? Now you are going to see that the market is going to is going to sell off for some times before it spike down and keep on taking up a uptrend. You see guys, this is exactly how this strategy really works, and also you can use it to catch up a spike on crash 1000. You just need to wait for a reconfirmation. You see that this entry is confirmed from this level, it found from this another entry. You see there is a spike immediately, it respect those zone, and it keep on spiking until it reach this particular level, guys. So you see, is one of the best strategy that can really help you to make up the market every time. You see, there's another entry here. You see now the moving average move down and respect the 10 level, and we have the Ichimoku, which is the blue 9 at this side, that goes above the 20 level here. And what do you see next? We see an uptrend in the market. Even if it's just only 5 candlesticks, you can still make profit with this strategy, guys. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. It's going to help us a lot. And also you can also like and comment on this video, and also share your experience so by using different strategy that we use to drop on this channel. And also you can join our Telegram group for more updates. Thanks.